Hello children, we are going to make this a beautiful hanging for the diya. This is of MDF board, but we are going to make from the cardboard. Okay, and we need colors, and I'm going to show you the texture how you can get it. So whatever drawing you want to draw, first draw the drawing according to the shape, whichever shape you want. Okay. See, you have to cut this with the help of the cutter. So we are going to cut this with the help of the cutter inside window, and this portion is going to be here. So I had cut for you. See, I had cut it. Okay, see, this is the inside portion. Okay, inside portion, and this I had cut from the remaining portion, this thing, a triangle. Okay, I will show how you can get the texture. See, mix with the take water and glue, half. So applying the glue and water 50-50 should be, and make it this way, apply this way. Okay, see, I had done for you everything. See, you can take the texture from the texture white also. I will show how you can, if you don't want this, you can use the texture white with the knife. See, just when you dab it, you will get the texture. See, can you see the texture? So this way you can do for the whole thing, and you will get the texture, same texture what the paper has given you. Just dab it. Even you can use the finger. If you don't have a knife, you can use the stick also for getting the texture. Okay, so let it dry. Till that time we will color this. I will show how to color it. First start with the light color. Okay, from the center of the, see, this way, very lightly I'm just rubbing it. I'm not putting too much of water. Okay, not too much of water. Very light water. Now I'm using the dark color. See, can you see the texture, how it is coming? See, just rubbing it, so I'm getting the texture. See, just rubbing it. I have not used too much of water, so I'm getting it. I'm just rubbing it, so I'm getting the texture. Okay, see, now after completing everything, do the coloring. Okay, color this also. See, after coloring, you have to just keep this way. Okay, put glue here and join this way. See, keeping this way and on this way you have to join. We will stick this properly, and I will show you how after drying. See, after drying, it's now ready. So you can hang it. You can hang it on the wall and enjoy your craft. You can also keep the LED diya. So because this is a cardboard, so it will not catch hold the fire. So we will keep a LED diya. So enjoy your craft.